Imagine a world where light becomes data. LiFi is simple but powerful. We all know how a light bulb works. When an electrical current is applied to an LED light bulb, a constant stream of light is emitted from the bulb, which we see as illumination. Since LED bulbs are electronic devices, the current and therefore the light can be modulated at extremely high speeds. This can be detected by a photodetector and converted back to electrical current, therefore carrying data. This is the nervous system of an internet revolution. LiFi doesn't replace your internet service provider. You'll still need them to get the internet to your home or office via wires. However, once you have that high-speed connection, you can deploy your fast, secure LiFi network using power over Ethernet or powerline communications. LiFi offers greater density than many other radio frequency solutions. For example, if you have an average Wi-Fi router in your office that provides up to 100 megabits per second and 15 people are connected to that router, it means that you might only be able to access 4 megabits per second. However, with a LiFi network of lights that offer 42 megabits per light, even if you had only 8 lights in your room, those same 15 people could share more than 300 megabits per second. That's dense and fast wireless communication. Real LiFi is also bidirectional, full duplex, and high speed. Data is transmitted and received at the same time, resulting in a really fast, reliable user experience, especially when doing things like Skype calls, video streaming, and virtual reality. Real LiFi is fully networked. That means all the lights in your LiFi network can speak to each other and hand over as you move around the space. Each light even has its own IP address, which means that you can offer location tracking and geofencing within your network. LiFi, a world with unprecedented data and bandwidth. Be part